I've got a quick question for you. Have you ever wanted to work from home or own your own business? Come on, you know you want that lifestyle, the one that everybody talks about, where you can work from home in your underwear or on the beach with your laptop. So why hasn't it happened for you yet? Come on, you gotta admit it. This isn't the first time you've been looking for a proven way to make money, is it? When is it your turn? My guess is this. You saw someone online promising you riches untold, but there was a catch. Doesn't there always seem to be a catch? You've got to pay hundreds or thousands of dollars to get started, right? Before you make any money. Don't they know that that's the reason you're there? Because you need money? Doesn't seem like that if all those gurus' courses and the software works so good and they really believed in them, why wouldn't they just give you their money-making systems and then after you've made your money, then they'd get paid? Hi, my name is Russell Brunson and I'm an internet multimillionaire. And that question was one that somebody asked me about a year ago. Now at first I was kind of angry, probably because the cheapest coaching program I offered at the time was $5,000. But then I realized he's right. You see, my company name is .com Secrets. You might have seen us on CBS, Fox, or NBC News. Or if you've ever flown on Virgin Airlines, the owner of the company and a multi-billionaire, his name is Richard Branson, put our company name on the side of one of his planes. It's pretty cool, don't you think? Anyway, our company mission is simple. First, to help 100,000 people to make their very first $100 online. Second, to help 10,000 people to finally fire their boss. Third, to help 1,000 people make 6 figures a year. And fourth, to help 100 people to become millionaires. Now, I know these goals are kind of big, but so far we're making great progress. You've probably heard some of our success stories of our students. People like Justin Brooke, or Joy Anderson, or Dee Price, or Russell Viscas, Zan and Jen Spencer, and hundreds of other people who all had ordinary lives and now make full-time incomes from home on the internet thanks to .com Secrets. So with such a big mission and the fact that unlike other people we know that our system works, we decided to do the unthinkable. We took our $5,000 coaching program, we simplified it and improved it and called it .com Secrets X. And we decided to give it to you for free. Well, it's kind of free. We're going to do what that guy challenged me to do. First, prove to you that it actually works, and then just pays from the profits you make. Does that sound fair? For example, if I were to give you $100, would you give me $10 back? What if I gave you $1,000? Would you give me $100 back? Okay, what about $1 million? Now I know that probably seems impossible right now, but don't discount it either, because it's happening right now with others just like you. And don't worry, this isn't the first time we've done this. The last time I took on students, well, the results turned out pretty great. Let me tell you a story about Zan and Jen Spencer. Zan was working at a software company, and Jen was recovering from a few bad real estate deals. Together, they had a combined $38 left in their bank account. That's when they stumbled upon something very similar to what you're looking at right now, and they decided to take action, and look at what's happened to them since. Yes, they won our contest and that nice Corvette, but what they really won was their freedom, wasn't it? After the contest, Zan went in and asked his boss if he'd take 3 months off to take a late honeymoon, and when his boss declined, well, what could he do? He quit his job, jumped in the car with his wife, and took a well-deserved 86-day vacation around the country in his brand new Corvette. And what's best? While they were gone, they kept making money from what they had learned during the contest. So what made them so special? Why were they successful when in the past you may not have been? Well, there's only one real reason. When they saw an opportunity, they didn't wait, they jumped in with both feet and took immediate action. And now it's your turn. We're doing another challenge. But this one is a little different because this time everyone can win. Let me show you how this works. In about 5 minutes from right now, you're going to become a member of .com Secrets X. And don't worry, I'm not going to charge you the $5,000 for coaching that we have charged other members in the past. You will be able to get started for just a tiny $1 investment. As soon as you pay that $1,